Our theme has been looking to Jesus. And if we are seeing Jesus rightly, then all of life will be about him. Have I followed Jesus the way that Jesus calls us to follow him? Student, the Lord brought you here not for you to make excuses about following him, but to be gracious so that you would have your eyes open to see the true state of your soul.
Maybe you live to be 100 because you eat kale and you gain a lot of influence and significance in this world's estimation. A lot of money, a lot of celebrity, a lot of significance. Everyone thinks you're pretty and you're smart and you're funny and you're awesome, and then you die and your soul is lost. How much is your soul worth? I'm not asking you that. Jesus is in verse 37, for what will a man give in exchange for his soul?
Friend, if you're here and you're not a Christian, don't perish holding on to self-love. Don't go to eternity rejecting Christ because of passing treasures or pride. Friend, don't perish when tonight you can have Christ, the one who loves us, the one who cares for us, the one who, even when we're ashamed of him, Hebrews 2 says he is not ashamed to call us brothers and sisters. You can have that Jesus tonight. Turn to him.
You're called to follow King Jesus, who's the sovereign one, the omnipotent one, the King of angels, the first and the last. You're called to follow Jesus. He's the one calling you to follow him, to pick up your cross. You're called to follow him, and he'll lead you out of the fear of death that has enslaved you for your whole life. You're called to follow him and bring every burden and every worry and every heartache and every shame and let him carry it for you. He'll bear your burdens. He'll pick up your anxieties. He will comfort you. Follow him and watch Jesus give your life significance and meaning as he hides your life in him. Watch him give you an identity that will transform your destiny. Follow him and he meets all your needs and provides for you in every season of your life. Follow him to the edge of death. And when your eyes close in that last day of your life and your heart beats its final beat, you will find yourself in the arms of King Jesus, and you will follow him as you followed him in this life, except perfectly and forever. Follow him into the age to come, where he will rule and reign perfectly in a world where there is no pain or sorrow or sin or death or evil. He is calling you to come, to walk after him, to follow his steps and be transformed, so that you will actually be like him more and more every day for all eternity. Jesus says, follow me. And the way of cross is the way of glory.